lesson plan na ginagawa po sa public school here in the Philippines. DepEd Order 42, Series of 2000, this is Practical Research 1. Step by step po nating titingnan kung ano po yung sample ng lesson. Ano ba ang first part ng lesson plan? So, we have here, of course, yung name, tapos yung date kung kailan mo ituturo, teaching time, ilalagay po namin doon yung section, oras namin kung kailangan ipapasok dun sa klase. Grade level, and then learning area, tapos kung anong quarter. Now, objectives. Pero bago yun, dapat alamin muna natin yung content standard and the performance standard. Makikita po yun sa curriculum guide. Ang curriculum guide po is downloadable naman po ito sa internet. In this case po, after stating teacher, date, time, and then yung content standard and performance standard po nasa curriculum guide. So, kokopyahin lang po natin yun. So, content standard